Hello guys, what's up? Welcome on Java Hub. Today we are gonna to talking about how to installing Netbeans and JDK. For installing Netbeans and JDK, we need to download Netbeans and JDK from Oracle homepage. So go to Oracle homepage. In download sections, click on Netbeans IDEs. Click on 8.0 beta because it is latest version of Netbeans IDE. You have 5 options. Download this one because whenever you will study Java Enterprise Edition, you need to download from download Glass, Fish Server and Apache Tomcat. So click on download and click on save button to download. I already have this software, so I don't want to download 8 beta. I hope guys you will download this. And for executing Java application, you also need to download JDK, Java Development Kit. Click on Java for Developers. You have two options, JDK and JDK with Netbeans. We already have Netbeans, so we click on JDK. Accept license agreement. If you don't have Oracle account, then you need to first create your Oracle account. JDK for different OS. If you have Linux OS, then you need to install this one. If you have I have Windows OS 64-bit, that's why I download this one. Click on save button for download JDK. I already have this software also, so I don't want to go to download JDK. I hope guys you will download both the software. After that you get this one, JDK and Netbeans beta 8.0 beta. Install both the software. After installing, you can see Netbeans icon on your desktop. Open Netbeans IDE. As you guys seen, start page is open. For creating new projects, click on project. Netbeans is really easy to use. For creating new application, click on new project, Java application. This is the different kind of Java technology we already had discussed in my first tutorials. Java application, click next. Give project name. Netbeans doesn't allow you to create individual programs. If you create your individual program, then you need to put up those programs in a project files. Give the name. What do you want to like? Demo. Click finish. You seen demo package name. Demo is all by default is same like your project name. Class demo same like your project names. This is the public static void main function is always return null value, that's why this is void. And write your hello world program system dot out dot print line open the quotes. Netbeans close the quotes for you. Type what do you want to print. Hello universe. run this program, you get output to hello universe in the bottom of the code. Though this it is a small program, it contains lot of useful information and concept for new Java programmer. Mainly in public static void main string args. What is string args? Which is actually an array of java.lang.string type, and its name args here. It's not necessary to name it args always. You can name it like get array, it's work fine. Hello universe, but most programmers prefer to name it args. When we run on Java program, from the basic question is what is a string args is. The string args, when we run a Java program from command prompt, we can pass some input to our Java program. Those inputs are stored in this string args array. Those strings are stored in this args array, or get array. By the way, you can also write get array both are work fines. Both convention are true. Strings array or get, you maybe open array here. But one important features from Java 5 onwards is you can use variable arguments in main method instead of a string args, which means this declaration is also valid in a Java programs. You see output same hello universe. So both string args is three kind of representation you seen here. Both are fine, both are works fine. I hope guys you will learn something from this videos. If you like my channels, please subscribe to my channel. I see you guys later. Thank you for watching.